So have a look here. Notice how these aren't lining up exactly nice. Well, that's more than an aesthetic thing. We want to remove any spaces that are in the front because a space is a character, even though we can't see it. The computer doesn't recognize that we can't see it. It just recognizes that it's a character. And one of these with a space and the same township, but without a space, would be recognized as two different townships. So it's very important that we get rid of that space. The first step is simply to right-click on F and hit Insert. Insert will automatically put in a column to the left of the column that we've clicked on. And now we will put in our function. All the functions start with an equals sign. Equals trim, and then parentheses. Whenever we're creating a function, the function takes arguments. In this case, trim only takes one argument, and it just wants to know what is to be trimmed. So let's just show it what is to be trimmed by clicking, and there we have it. Now we'll highlight, copy, click one below, and I'm going to hold on a Mac, Command, Shift, and then hit the down arrow. And that will select the entire column, and I'm going to hit paste, and that will paste the function from top to bottom in this data set. Now what I will simply do is highlight this top one, again Command Shift and then down, which highlights the entire column, copy, and then go to the original, right click and go to paste special. I'll go to paste and then paste special and go to values. Now that pasted the values only and not the function. If I just clicked paste, it would paste the value, and that's not what I want. It would oftentimes that throws an error. And now this F column is no longer needed. We'll go ahead and delete. And there we are. All of the spaces are trimmed. Okay, you've learned how to use a very simple function. All functions start the same way, with an equal sign, then a keyword, and parentheses. Inside the parentheses are a set of arguments. Different functions have different arguments, and sometimes those arguments are required, and sometimes they're optional. Next, we're going to use a slightly more complex function to start to resolve the date-time situation that we have going on. We'll use a function that is like trim. It is left. It gets everything that is to the left of a particular position. Now the trick is determining what that position is. So the first thing we'll have to do is search for a particular character, in this case the @ symbol. That returns a number. That number is our position. Then we can use left to get everything to the left of that position.